Let's talk about the ecosystem at America Makes. So we've got our premier event coming up in August 6th and 7th in Youngstown, called MMX. And one of the main things that we'll be doing is convening the ecosystem. So what does that mean to you as the ecosystem director? And how do we do that?
Convening the ecosystem is one of the most important things I think we do as an institute, because it's the place where people mix, mingle, share ideas, and kind of fuel up for the next round of projects. It's all about teaming up to solve the problems that we still have in Additive, finding those great solutions, teaming up to come up with novel approaches to maybe an old problem we haven't yet solved in the right way, and sort of getting that feedback once a year from, hey, we tried all these things and we all went back to the four corners of the country, and we come back together in Youngstown, Ohio once a year to figure out, hey, share information, what happened with our customers, what happened with our clients, and what do we want to do in the future. So for me, that's what this is about. And it's for us, finding the voice of industry, as the team members at the Institute, finding the voice of industry and constantly changing and shifting our approach to make it better.
So you just walked through a whole host of different great reasons to come and attend MMX, whether it's sharing of information or addressing the challenges that face us today as a community. And you also mentioned, voice of industry and bringing together the right people. What makes up that right cross-section of organizations, and what types of organizations would find benefit in supporting and attending MMX?
I think the kind of organizations that would find benefit is virtually anyone who's working on AM, whether it's, a few steps before the additive process or a few steps after. I think that's what the ecosystem is, because it takes an entire supply chain to get this stuff to work. I think the reason to come is to learn the latest and greatest. The reason to arrive and do it is because you're making a difference. Adoption of AM is going to really create a much freer way of making things in the future. And I think diverse sectors of industry and diverse folks within that sector, whether you're a university, whether you're a economic development organization, or a manufacturer of equipment, I think there's something for you at MMX.
So MMX is a members meeting and exchange. So hopefully it's clear to our membership all of the things you just walked through. It's really that time once a year where we all come back together, come back to Youngstown where it all started at the Institute. But if I'm a non-member looking at this event, should I be discouraged by the title? Is there something for me at the members meeting and exchange?
There's something for everyone at MMX 2024. Of course. I think there are some amazing conversations we're going to have, and it's about building relationships. So if you're new, all the more reason to come. If you're new to the AM industry, you're going to meet everybody you need to know to decide whether it's something you want to take on, and learn about the pitfalls of the technology, as well as all the really cool things that light you on fire to get up every morning and try again. So MMX is the place to be. Youngstown, August 6th through 7th, MMX.